Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is 𝗣𝗲. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and comment down below before you leave. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on this wig. This wig was sent to me from MyFirstWig. I'll have all of their information, the promo codes, and the direct link down below in the description box. The wig that I received is 12 inches. This is a 13x6 water wave lace front wig. The density is 180%, and this wig was created using 100% Indian human hair. So this wig is a 4-in-1 pre-max wig. It comes completely ready to wear with pre-cut lace, a fully plucked hairline. The knots have been deep bleached, and the wig is pre-styled. It doesn't get any easier than this, y'all. It's literally ready to wear straight out of the package. The cap construction features 3 combs, an adjustable strap, and a removable elastic band. MyFirstWig never disappoints. They have some of the most natural looking wigs on the market. Do you see how this lace just disappears into my skin? I am so excited about this wig. This bob is just in time for summer. So here's how the wig looks straight out of the package. It is pre-styled, so you can literally just put it on your head and go about your day. This is a 13x6 lace front wig, so you get 6 inches of deep parting space from your forehead on back. Okay, so the first thing that I am going to do is tint the lace. I'm grabbing 2 different colors of lace tint. The first color is the color of my foundation. I'm spraying that on the under portion of the lace front, and I'm spraying it on the hairline portion of it. The second color is the color of my scalp, which is a couple of shades lighter than the first color. I'm going to spray that on the inner portion of the underside of lace. I'm doing 2 different layers of each color of lace tint and then blow drying in between each layer. Tinting the lace is always an optional step. Some people just choose to use concealer or a powdered foundation on the parting space. So because this wig does not come with tight curls and is more of like a looser wave, I am going to use very light product so that it doesn't weigh down the hair. Sometimes if I use a heavier gel on a wavy wig, then the hair turns straight because of the gel being so heavy. So I am grabbing a curling mousse and a light hold gel, as well as my Denman brush. In small sections, I'm just going to fully saturate the section with water and then use that mousse to smooth that product through the hair. And then I'm grabbing my Denman brush, and from the bottoms on upwards, I'm just going to get these waves to form that curl. I'm following those steps for the entire wig, and I'll come right back when I am finished. So now that I am at the front of the head, I'm grabbing that light hold gel and I'm just going to apply that to the hairline just to get the strands of hair to go into the direction that I want it to go into. And here is how the wig looks after defining the wave pattern. You can leave it like this and then use like a wet look gel or a glosser if you want like a sleek look. But I am going to grab my diffuser and I'm just going to give this hair more body and volume. Of course, this is optional. All right, so because the lace is already pre-cut for us, I do not have to worry about cutting off any extra lace. The only thing I have to do with this wig is just place it on my head and go about my day. I am not using any gel or glue to adhere this wig down. I do want to show you guys how realistic this wig looks without being glued down or gelled down. Now, my hairline is more round and this wig is more squared. So my hairline is going to show through, as you can see, which means that I have to have baby hairs on this wig. So I'm just going to grab my baby hair brush comb duo and then just do some light baby hairs on the side. And to prove that this is a glueless install, I am just using the rat tail end of my comb just to go under that lace so you guys can see that there is no glue, tape, or adhesive used on this install. And here's the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave them down below in the comment section. Let me know how you're wearing your hair this summer. Isn't this wig perfect for summer? It's just literally put some mousse through the hair and go about your day without any glue, tape, or gel. That is perfect. It's perfect. Let me know where you would wear this wig down below in the comments. Let's chat everything this hair. I'll have all of the information, the promo codes, and the direct link to this wig from MyFirstWig down below in the description box. If you're new here, welcome. My name is 𝗣𝗿. Hit that subscribe button before you leave and leave a comment. And I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
𝗣𝗿𝗲. Yeah, that's right. It's 𝗣𝗿𝗲.